Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. So today you join me in my mini JCW again in the middle of Scotland on the North Coast 500. We've got an awesome bridge over there. So today we'll be doing an NC500 POV drive in the car. So we're in the middle of filming our two-part series of our adventures in Scotland. And I just thought I'd film this as well because I do a lot of POV drives and it would be rude not to do one in Scotland. So our first destination is the Calas Cumhan Bridge. We've just got some awesome shots along here which you will see in our two-part series. Hello there in the wild. Oh, cattle grid. On the way to this bridge, I think we diverted a little bit and we got a bit lost. So this road that we're going on now on the way back should be a lot more scenic than the little single track lane we were on a second ago. But nevertheless, the views are absolutely mental out here. Just live in there. I'm not going to do a huge amount of talking in this video because I'm just taking in the scenery. The views are mental.
Look at that. It's awesome.
These are literally the ultimate driving roads of the UK. We've already done about 600 odd miles up here. We've got probably about the same amount to go more around Scotland. The more and more we drive through Scotland, the more scenic it gets. We started our journey in Loch Lomond and we thought that was cool. And then we ended up along here and wow, it's just mental. You see NC500 there. The views are mental. You just look around, it's just like mountains everywhere. Waterfalls.
Now Jack's doing it for you. Whack on a VR headset. Live the experience of the John Cooper works.
It's like driving in VR for the people watching.
Do you know what's going to be weird? It's going to be like I'm narrating your video when I'm in the passenger seat. It's like a third person.
Transit. Different technology. If you look over there, we are literally in the clouds. That is the clouds. That's what it feels like around here. Whoa, look at this. Took us a few hours to get up here from where we've based ourselves at the moment in Scotland, but my God, was it worth it. Car's still doing about 36 miles per gallon, which is not bad to be fair, considering all things. I thought the MPG would be like really bad on this car, especially up these roads, but it's actually really impressing me. So yeah, I'm happy with that.
To be fair, on the way up here we were stuck on 400 miles for about 300 miles.
Literally.
And it dropped.
There's a random beach there. vans.